Before buying a Dyson air purifier, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Levite Core 300p Air Purifier. The Levite Core 300p caught my eye right away. Priced at $127.18, it's designed for homes battling allergies and pet hair while covering a large area up to 1,073 square feet. If you want a reliable option for cleaner air, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Core 300p features a powerful 56W high-torque motor and boasts a clean air delivery rate (CADR) of 143 CFM for smoke, which means it can tackle larger rooms efficiently. Also, it's AHAM verified, which means it has been tested for air cleaning performance. Plus, its quiet operation at just 24 dB during sleep mode means you won't even notice it while you're trying to catch some ZS. Now, some people complained about the filter replacement costs. Here's the thing though, while it is a bit pricey to replace, the performance and air quality you'll get make it a worthwhile investment for your health. This is perfect for you if you have pets or allergies and need an efficient, quiet solution. Skip this one if you're looking for something that covers a massive area like a large open concept space. For the price, it delivers real value for your indoor air quality. Now, if the Core 300p's filter costs worried you, the next option might be right up your alley. Product number 2, Levite Vital 200 SP Air Purifier. The Levite Vital 200 SP is another interesting pick. Retailing at $203.40, this model is tailored for larger spaces up to 1,875 square feet. If your home has high traffic or pets, this is worth a serious look. It has a unique design allowing for higher air intake, trapping airborne particles without clogging. This is especially crucial if you live in a pet household. The HEPA sleep mode automatically adjusts fan speeds at night, which is a great feature if you value peace while you sleep. Now, some people found it to be a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, while it might take up more space, the performance in air quality helps justify the footprint it leaves. This is perfect for you if you have a larger home and need a serious air cleaning solution. Skip this if you're limited on space or looking for a compact design. It's a solid investment for cleaner air in larger areas. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who like smart features. Product number 3, Levite Vital 100 SP Air Purifier. The Levite Vital 100 SP is another solid contender at $152.62. It also covers up to 1,073 square feet, making it a versatile choice for different room sizes. If you want a smart purifier, this is worth a serious look. What stands out here is the air quality monitor that helps you keep track of your home's air conditions. It's got a washable pre-filter that not only helps save on replacement costs, but also makes maintenance a breeze. The device captures 99.97% of allergens thanks to its HEPA-grade filter, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. Plus, with a sleek design, it fits well in any room. Now, some users mention the app connectivity can be a bit glitchy. Here's the thing though, if you're not tied to using an app, the purifier performs excellently even when used manually. This is perfect for tech-savvy individuals who want to monitor their air quality. Skip this one if you prefer simpler, no-frills devices. It's a great deal for the features it offers. Now, if the smart features of the Vital 100 SP intrigued you, let's look at a powerhouse for larger spaces. Product number 4, Levite APH 4000 Air Purifier. Now let's talk about the Levite APH 4000, which is priced at $181.24. This one can handle large rooms up to 3,500 square feet, making it perfect for bigger spaces. If you live in a large home or have an open concept area, this is worth a serious look. What I found impressive is its multiple modes, including Eco and Pet mode. This purifier has an AHAM verified CADR rating that efficiently captures allergens while still being energy efficient. The washable pre-filter is a bonus, as it saves money on replacements. Plus, Its quiet operation means you can run it during the night without disturbances. Now, some reviewers pointed out that it can be a bit loud on higher settings. Here's the thing though, if you're using it in a large room, the noise might just be a trade-off for cleaner air. This is perfect for families needing to manage larger spaces. Skip this if you're looking for a compact unit. Overall, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone needing serious air purification. Alright, that was a powerful option. But let's finish up with a model that's known for its trusted technology. Product number 5. Airmega AP 1512HH Air Purifier. Lastly, we have the Airmega AP 1512HH at $216.22. It's a trusted option that combines smart features with solid performance. If you want a reliable purifier that's easy to use, this is worth a serious look. This unit comes with an air quality monitoring feature that visually indicates your air quality, which is super helpful. With a coverage of up to 1,562 square feet, it's perfect for medium to large rooms. It also has an eco mode, which adjusts the fan speed automatically to save energy. Now, some users have mentioned that it's a bit pricey for the features it offers. Here's the thing though, the reliability and performance justify the investment when you consider the air quality improvements. This is perfect for those who want dependable, smart air purification. Skip this if you're looking for something on the lower end of the price spectrum. It truly delivers on quality for the investment. Now that we've covered all these options, let's sum up the highlights to find the perfect fit for your needs. So here's a quick recap. The Levite Core 300P is great for smaller rooms, while the Vital 200 SP handles larger spaces with ease. If you want smart features, the Vital 100 SP is a fantastic choice. The APH 4000 is perfect for big areas, and the Airmega AP 1512HH is a trusted option with solid performance. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, so choose what fits your lifestyle best.